Social media isn't just for sharing photos with friends or catching up on the latest news anymore. It's evolved into something far more impactful. Today, social media is a powerful engine for business growth, fundamentally changing the way companies of all sizes engage with their customers, shape their brand identity, and drive revenue. What once was a platform for casual connections has now become a critical component of modern business strategies. Whether you're running a small business setup looking to make your mark, or managing a large enterprise with a well-established presence, the ability to harness the full potential of social media can significantly elevate your business. Through targeted campaigns, personalized interactions, and strategic content creation, social media allows you to reach and connect with your audience on a deeper level. It's about more than just posting updates. It's about crafting a narrative that resonates with your customers, fostering a community around your brand, and ultimately, converting those interactions into meaningful business outcomes. By mastering social media, you're not just participating in a trend, you're positioning your business for sustainable growth and success in an increasingly digital world. Before diving into strategies, it's essential to understand why social media is such a powerful tool. With billions of active users globally, platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok offer businesses an unprecedented opportunity to connect with their target audience, build strong relationships, and promote their brand on a massive scale. Consider this: over 70% of consumers are more likely to purchase from a brand they follow on social media. Even more telling, 90% of marketers say that social media has increased their business exposure. These numbers aren't just statistics. They're proof that having a robust social media presence is crucial in today's digital landscape. Now that we've established the importance of social media, let's dive into crafting your strategy. The first step? Identifying your target audience. Who are you trying to reach? What are their interests, challenges, and needs? Knowing your audience inside and out is the foundation of a successful social media strategy. Once you've pinpointed your audience, it's time to set clear goals. Are you focused on building brand awareness, driving traffic to your website, increasing sales? Your goals will dictate how you approach each platform and the type of content you create. Choosing the right platforms is crucial. Not every social media platform will align with your business goals. LinkedIn, for instance, is ideal for B2B marketing, while Instagram and TikTok are better suited for visually driven brands. Your choice should be informed by where your target audience spends their time. To choose the right platform, you have to understand your target audience. Here are some examples of things you can do and metrics you can look at to determine your target audience. Demographics: age, gender, location, income level. Interests: hobbies, passions, values. Online behavior: platforms used, content consumed, engagement habits. Platform analysis. User demographics: does the platform's user base align with your target audience? Content formats: what types of content are popular on the platform? Engagement metrics: how do users interact with content on the platform? Brand voice and aesthetic: does the platform's tone and style match your brand's personality? Platform features and tools. Advertising options: does the platform offer advertising features that suit your budget and goals? Analytics: can you track key metrics to measure your performance? Integration capabilities: does the platform integrate with other tools you use? Case studies and benchmarks. Industry examples: research how other businesses in your industry are using different platforms. Benchmarking: compare your performance to industry averages and best practices. Experimentation and iteration. A/B testing: test different content, visuals, and strategies to see what works best. Adaptability: be prepared to adjust your platform strategy as needs and user behavior change. Additional considerations. Resource allocation: consider the time, budget, and expertise required to manage each platform effectively. Platform trends: stay informed about emerging platforms and trends that might be relevant to your business. Platform synergy: evaluate how different platforms can complement each other and work together to achieve your goals. Finally, let's talk about your content strategy. What kind of content will you share? Educational posts, behind-the-scenes glimpses, customer testimonials, and entertaining videos are all great options. Here are a few examples. Educational posts. These posts can teach your audience something new about your product or service. For example, you could share a blog post about the benefits of using your product, or a video tutorial on how to use your product. Behind-the-scenes glimpses. These posts can give your audience a peek into your company's culture and operations. For example, you could share a photo of your team working together, or a video of your manufacturing process. Customer testimonials. These posts can help you to build trust and credibility with your audience. For example, you could share a testimonial from a satisfied customer on your website or social media. Entertaining videos. These posts can help to break up the monotony of your social media feed and keep your audience engaged. For example, you could share a funny video of your team having fun, or a time-lapse video of your product being made. When choosing what type of content to share, it's important to consider your target audience and what they're interested in. You should also make sure that your content is high quality and engaging. But remember, consistency is key. Posting regularly keeps your audience engaged and your brand top of mind. Here are some tips for maintaining consistency. Set a posting schedule. Determine how often you'll post and stick to it. This could be daily, weekly, or even bi-weekly. Plan your content. Use a content calendar to plan out your posts in advance. This will help you ensure a steady flow of content. Utilize social media scheduling tools. These kind of tools can help you schedule your posts in advance, saving you time and ensuring consistency. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, messages, and mentions promptly. This shows your audience that you value their input and are actively listening. Let's take a closer look at content creation. On social media, content is king. The key is to create engaging, valuable content that resonates with your audience. Think about what will capture their attention and encourage them to interact with your brand. High-quality visuals, authentic storytelling, and interactive posts, like polls and Q&As, are all great ways to boost engagement. But how do you figure out what kind of content will resonate with your audience? Whether you're just starting or looking to grow, understanding your audience is key to creating content that truly connects. Let's break it down. Number 1, know your audience. First things first, know who you're talking to. Take the time to define your target audience. Are they professionals looking for expert insights, enthusiasts seeking in-depth guides, or maybe families searching for practical tips? Understanding their demographics, interests, and pain points lays a solid foundation. Number 2, listen and research. Next, listen actively. Engage with your audience through comments, surveys, and social media. What questions are they asking? What problems do they need to solve? Research trending topics and keywords in your niche using tools like Google Trends or social media analytics to uncover what's popular and what's needed. Number 3, content feedback loop. Create a feedback loop. Regularly analyze your content performance. What videos get the most views, likes, and shares? Which topics spark the most conversation? Use this data to refine your content strategy continually. Number 4, experiment and adapt. Don't be afraid to experiment. Test different formats, styles, and topics to see what resonates best. Sometimes, unexpected content can surprise you with its popularity. Stay agile and adapt based on what your audience responds to. Number 5, authenticity and consistency. Above all, be authentic. Your audience can sense sincerity. Share your unique perspective and experiences. It's what sets you apart. And consistency matters too. Regular uploads build anticipation and trust, keeping your audience engaged over time. And don't be afraid to experiment with different types of content. Videos in particular are incredibly powerful. They can convey your message quickly and memorably. Plus, with platforms like Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok, creating short, impactful videos has never been easier. A content calendar is a valuable tool for planning and organizing your social media content. It helps you maintain consistency, ensure timely posting, and align your content with your overall marketing goals. But why should you use a content calendar? Here are some reasons. Consistency helps you maintain a regular posting schedule. Time management allows you to plan content in advance, saving time. Alignment with goals ensures your content supports your business objectives. Strategic timing enables you to schedule posts around important events. Collaboration facilitates teamwork and content coordination. What does a content calendar look like? A content calendar typically includes dates, the specific days you plan to post, content ideas, topics, themes, or specific pieces of content, platform, the social media platform where you'll share the content, visuals, images, videos, or graphics to accompany the post, links, URLs to relevant websites or resources, notes or comments, additional details or reminders. Here's how you can get started creating your content calendar. Number 1, identify your goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your social media content. Number 2, research your audience. Understand their interests, preferences, and behaviors. Number 3, plan your content. Brainstorm ideas that align with your goals and resonate with your audience. Number 4, choose a format. Decide whether you'll use a spreadsheet, calendar app, or a dedicated content management tool. Number 5, schedule your posts. Assign specific dates and times for each piece of content. Number 6, review and update. Regularly review your calendar and make adjustments as needed. Using a content calendar is a game changer. It helps you plan and schedule your posts in advance, ensuring that your content is consistent and aligned with your overall business goals. Plus, it allows you to strategically time your posts around key dates and events related to your industry. Remember, social media isn't a one-way street. It's not just about broadcasting your message. It's about engaging in conversations with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and actively participate in your community. This kind of interaction builds trust and loyalty, making your followers more likely to become long-term customers. Don't underestimate the power of engagement. A simple thank you or a quick response to a question can make a huge difference in how your brand is perceived. And when you engage with your audience regularly, you're not just building a following, you're building a community. To ensure your social media efforts are paying off, you need to measure your success. Use analytics tools provided by each platform to track your performance. Look at key metrics like engagement rates, follower growth, and how much traffic your social media is driving to your website. Here's a breakdown of some key metrics to consider. Engagement metrics. Likes. How many people are positively interacting with your content? Comments. The level of discussion and engagement your content is generating. Shares. How often your content is shared by others. Click-through rates. The percentage of people who click on links in your posts. Reach and impressions. Reach. The number of unique people who saw your content. Impressions. The total number of times your content was seen. Follower growth. New followers. The increase in your follower count over time. Follower loss. The decrease in your follower count. Website traffic. Referrals. The amount of traffic directed to your website from social media. Conversations. The number of visitors who take a desired action. Other metrics. Brand mentions. The number of times your brand is mentioned on social media. Sentiment analysis. The overall sentiment expressed about your brand. Return on investment. The value you're getting from your social media efforts compared to the cost. To determine what metrics are important for your business, consider your goals. Are you aiming to increase brand awareness, drive sales, or improve customer engagement? By focusing on metrics that align with your objectives, you can effectively measure the success of your social media campaigns. If something isn't working as expected, don't be afraid to tweak your strategy. Social media is constantly evolving, and what worked last month might not be as effective today. The key is to stay flexible and open to change. Staying on top of trends and being ready to adapt is essential for long-term success. Whether it's experimenting with new content formats or shifting your focus to a different platform, being proactive in your strategy will help keep your business ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching! If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your network. We are committed to helping you grow your business through effective social media strategies. Let's continue this journey together.